Hello children, welcome you in your English class. In my previous class we have discussed three determiners. Now category number 4, that is distributive. Distributive, these are indefinite pronouns. First of all we will discuss each and every, difference between each and every. Each, where we use each? Each for two or more than two persons. We use each for two or more than two persons. For example, each girl has a pen. Each girl has a pen. Or each of the boys gets a prize. Here we want two or more than two persons or objects. Likewise, every. In every, we need more than two. Keep this thing in your mind, that in each we need two, either two or more than two, and in every more than two. If there are two persons, we can't use every. More than two object or person, we will use every. Every girl has a pen, and another one is every student has a pen. Next is either or neither. Either. When there are two options, we have to choose one. Suppose you are having two frocks and you want to wear one. So you will use either. Noun will be in plural form and verb will be in singular form. For example, either of the days is good for me. Suppose I am asking you which day you want to go for picnic. You will say, I will ask Sunday or Saturday or Sunday. You will say either of the days is good for me. Either Saturday or Sunday. So you have choice, any one day. We can watch either movie. If you have choice of to watch two movies, you can say we can watch either movie. Either of you can go. I could convince either of them. When there is pronoun, remember, them here is pronoun. When there is pronoun, then I could convince either of them. We are adding of with either. So this is about either. Next is neither. It means not the one nor the other of two. For example, neither of the pens is good. You are having two pens. Neither one and nor second one is good. Both are not good. So we will use neither. And when pronoun is there, you will say, is neither of you. Again we are using pronoun here. You is pronoun. Is neither of you interested in watching movie? You are asking question with someone. Neither of us like burger. Us, here again this is pronoun. Neither of us like burger. So this is the difference between either and neither. Next are determiner is quantifiers. I have given you examples in my previous lecture. So there are some determiners we will discuss. First one is many or much. Many. Many is used with countable nouns in plural form, like pens, pencils, books, notebooks, cards, phones, etc. For example, there are many books on the table. You can count those books, but when you are watching, when you are looking at those books, they are many. So you will use many books. If you have to ask question to someone, you can also use many. Like, how many sisters do you have? You are asking something to someone. Another is much. Much is used with uncountable nouns. And what are uncountable nouns? Sugar, gold, milk, petrol, salt. These all are uncountable noun. There is not much rice. There isn't much rice. Rice, you can't count the rice one by one. So we are using much here. And you are asking question to someone, how much milk is there? You can't count the milk. So you are using milk. You are using much here. Like with sugar, petrol, anything which is uncountable, you will use much. So this is difference between many and much. Another one is some and any. You need not to confuse with some and any. Some will be used for countable and uncountable, and it is a positive sentence. When you are talking in positive way, you have to use some. For example, there is some milk in this glass. Milk is uncountable. You take a glass and you put some milk in the glass. You will say there is some milk in this glass because you can't count it. If I am saying I have some bananas in my fridge, I have putting some bananas in my fridge and I can count them. So this is countable. So it is clear that some is used for countable as well as for uncountable. If you have to offering someone and requesting someone, then you use question mark. Here is question mark. So for example, would you like some coffee? Coffee is uncountable and you are offering something to someone. Again, another example is, could I have some water please? You are requesting someone to give you some water. So in these sentences, we are also using some. Next is any. Any is used in negative sentence or in questioning. Suppose, she doesn't have any book. It means she is not having any book. She doesn't have any idea about this plan. It means negativity. Negativity is there. And you are asking question, does she have any brother? Does she have any sister? Do you have any idea about this plan? So you are asking question. Again you are using any here. And in positive sentence also, what are positive sentence? Which dress should I buy? Anyone. You have 3 or 4 dresses and you have to buy one dress. You have to select one dress. So this is a positive sentence. You can call him anytime. It is up to you whether you want to call him. You can call him anytime. It is your choice. One more word is there, that is enough. How to use enough with noun and adjective? You know what are nouns? Noun is the name of a place, person or thing. An adjective which tells us the quality of a noun. Enough will be used before noun. If sentence is there and there is noun, then you have to add noun before. You have to add enough before noun. For example, I have enough money to buy this dress. Look, here we have add enough before noun. Noun, what is noun here? Money. And if there is adjective in sentence, then you will use adjective. After that you will add enough. For example, she is beautiful enough to participate in beauty contest. Beautiful, it's adjective, and we are adding enough after the adjective. So this is the difference between when adjective is given and when noun is given. Clear? And the last intermediaries which we have discussed, which we have to discuss, they are in interrogative. Interrogative, as the word indicates you, that we have to ask question to someone. These are used for asking questions. There are so many words: what, which, whom, who, where, why. There are so many words. For example, what do you wish to see? Which of the girls can sew the best? who is knocking at the door, whom did he invite. These all you know very well. So there is no need for detailed discussion of these sentences. Children, here are some sentences related to these determiners. So you should do practice and you will find how much you understand determiners. This is a good topic and it will help you to develop your grammar. Okay. Here are some 3 or 4 words are there which I think are necessary to discuss with you, because mostly children get confused regarding these words. These are also quantifiers. I just want to discuss these words with you. First of all, few or a few. Few. Few is used for negative statement when you are not satisfied with someone. For example, few friends attended my birthday. Few friends means you are expecting more, but few friends attended my birthday. So few friends. Few is for negative statement. You are not satisfied. How many friends came to your birthday party? And next one is a few. This is for positive statement and you are satisfied. For example, a few friends attended my birthday party. It means the friends who have come to attend your birthday party, you are satisfied. You are expecting that these friends will come. So we have added a few for this statement. This is a positive statement. And another one is also little and a little. The few and a few, little and a little, they are almost same. Little again for negative sentence. For example, he spends little time on his studies. Little means less. He spends little time on his studies. I'm little confused about her. Little means less and a little means very less. And some means less and a little and little are very less. Clear? Little means and a little means very less and some is less. A little is used for positive sentences. For example, she spends a little time on her studies. It means she spends very less time on her studies, which is not satisfactory. I am a little worried. Not so worried. I am a little worried. Now there is a sentence where we have used some as well as a little. Put some sugar in the water and a little salt. It means sugar. This is uncountable, as we have discussed in last determiners. Some where we have used determiner. Some. Put some sugar in the water. Some sugar in the water and a little salt. Salt is again uncountable. So this is the difference between some and a little. And a little is always uncountable. So children, I have discussed all determiners very well. Hope you will understand and you will enjoy to do exercise at home. If you have any doubt, any queries, you may ask. Thank you.